Assalamu alaikum. This again for class 11th. We are discussing application of dimensional formula. First application is conversion of one system of units into another. We have discussed already how we can convert this unit of force 1 Newton, how we can convert into dyne. We have converted 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to power 5 dyne. We have converted it already. Now we can go for another which is asked in the examination. We have to convert units of work joule into erges. We will see convert 1 joule is equal to 10 raised power 7 erges. We know that first of all this joule and erges, these are the unit of work. Joule and erges are units of joule of work or energy in MKS or CGS system. Unit of energy in MKS or CGS system. So joule ऐसे लिखेंगे joule and ergs are units of energy in MKS and CGS system. These are system of units. One is MKS system and CGS system. In MKS system, this mass is measured in kilograms, time is measured in seconds, and length in meters. In CGS system, you know that mass measured in grams, time in seconds, and length in centimeters. Since these two both are units of energy, or we can say work. First of all, you know the formula. I have also discussed regarding the formula. Formula is N2 is equal to N1. If you remember this, M1 divided by M2 whole raised power A, L1 divided by L2 whole raised power B, T1 divided by T2 raised power C. With the help of this formula, we are able to convert one system of units into another. First of all, we should know the value of A, B, and C. A, B, and C we can get from the we have to see joule and erg. They are the units of energy or work. We should first calculate the dimensional formula of energy or work so that we are able to get the value of A, B, and C. You know that energy or work, energy is equal to work is equal to force into distance. If you remember, force into distance. Force is equal to mass into acceleration into distance. मास m ही है, मास m लिखेंगे m. Acceleration is velocity divided by time. Distance, suppose L. Distance is measured in L length. Distance can be represented in L, mass in m. You have to represent in basic units. M, you know this, I already discussed this. Velocity is equal to distance divided by time. T or one time already moved into L. Ultimately, we can get it is dimensional formula can be equal to M1 L हो गया L square T raised power minus 2. When we get the dimensional formula of energy or work, we get it is equal to M1 L2 T raised power minus 2. Okay. Therefore, here with the help of this, I can get the value of A, B, and C. Therefore, A is equal to A is the power raised to M. A is equal to M. B is equal to 2 here. C is equal to minus 2. Therefore, I get A is equal to 1. B is equal to 2. C is equal to minus 2. These are the powers raised to M, L, and T. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to minus 2. We have got it. Now we will get M1, M2, L1, L2, T1 and T. These are there. We have two system of units. We know that joule is the unit in energy in MKS system, and erges is the unit of energy in CGS system. That means we have to take two system of units. I will take here. MKS system. यहाँ लिखूंगा CGS system. CGS system. M1, there is a mass in MKS. Mass is measured in kilograms, go 1 kg, kilogram. L1 is the length, that is 1 meter. Time, T1 is equal to 1 second. Here M2 is equal to 1 gram. Mass, length is measured in centimeters in CGS system, 1 centimeter. Time, T2 is equal to 1 second. Time is measured in both cases, in seconds here, also in here. Here N1, we have calculated N1 is equal to 1 joule. N1 is equal to 1 joule. We have to convert joule into erges. Now we can use the formula. We have calculated the value of M1, L1, T1, M2, L2, T2 and N1, A, B and C. When we substitute in the equation, we can get N2 is equal to N1 N2 is equal. This is the formula you should already remember. You M1 divided by M2 raised power A, L1 divided by L2 raised power B, T1 divided by T2 raised power C. Here N1 is equal to 1, M1 1 gram divided by 1 kg divided by M2 is equal to 1 gram whole raised power A. What is the value of A? We have already calculated the value of A. A is equal to 1. L1 1 meter, L2 1 centimeter, raised power B. What is the value of B? We have calculated the value of B is equal to 2. 1 second T1, ये भी 1 second है, raised power minus 2. When we calculate this, N2 is equal to, kilogram can be converted into grams. In 1 kg, 1 kilogram, there are 1000 grams. That means it can be written as 1000 gram divided by 1 gram raised power 1. Meter can be converted into centimeters. In 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. 100 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter raised power 2. 1 second 1 cancel, it becomes 1. इसको अब नीचे लगाऊंगा -2 ये बनेगा प्लस, अल्टीमेटली वी कैन गेट 1. ग्राम सेंटीमीटर cancel. It can be written as 10 raised power 3 1000 raised power 1 10 raised power 2 4 raised power 2 1 1. ये हो गया 10 raised power 3 multiply with 10 raised power 2 2s are 4. Bases are same, powers are added, is equal to 10 raised power 7. Therefore 1 joule we have converted, 1 joule is equal to 10 raised power 7 ergs. This is the conversion of one system of units into another. Here I have converted joule into erges. Joule and erges are the units of energy in MKS and CGS system. MKS system. In MKS system, we measured the length in meters, mass in kilograms, and time in seconds. In CGS system, we measured the length in centimeters, mass in grams, and time in seconds. When we convert it, how we can convert? This is the formula. We have already discussed it. N2 is equal to N1. M1 divided by M2 raised power A, L1 divided by L2 raised power B, T1 divided by T1, T2 raised power C. First of all, we should calculate the value of A, B and C. How we can calculate the value of A, B and C? We have to calculate the dimensions of a given quantity. Since we know that joule and ergs, they are both the units of energy or work in different units of system. So we can calculate the dimension formula of by calculating the dimension formula of work, we are able to calculate the value of A, B, and C. We know that for work is equal to force into distance. Force, mass into acceleration, you know, into distance. Distance already, but mass, acceleration can be velocity and time. Velocity divided by time into L. M is equal to velocity is equal to distance but time. एक already time इधर है. When we calculate it is m1 distance L into L square. T into T को T square मगर ये ऊपर है को T raised power -2. Now we have calculated the value of A, B, and C here. Value of A is here. Raised power A, it is raised power M का raised power 1 है, L का raised power 2 है. Then we can get value of A, B, and C. Then we can take two system of units. One is MKS and CGS system of units. In MKS system units, mass is measured in kilograms, length in meters, time in seconds. In CGS system, mass in grams, length in centimeters, and time in seconds. We know that N1 is equal to 1 joule. We have to convert joule into erges. We can use the formula N2 is equal to N1, M1 divided by M2 raised power A, L1 divided by L2 raised power B, T1 divided by T2 raised power C. All we know that we can substitute these values. When we can substitute, we have to convert grams into kilogram into grams. In 1 kg there are 1000 grams. In 1 meter there are 100 centimeter and 1. You notice 1 second 1 can cancel. It will ultimately we will get 1 answer. It is 10 raised power 3. It is 10 raised power 2. Here it is whole raised power 2. 2 2s are 4. Is equal. It will ultimately we can get 10 raised power 7. Therefore 1 joule is equal to 10 raised power 7. This is sometimes asked in the exam. I hope you have got it. Inshallah we will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.